And guys, my room is in that cottage right there. Okay, so guys, next I'm gonna show you a room tour.